how to change your name on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Facebook profile, and after opening up Facebook, just simply click on your profile, then select the option of settings and privacy. After that, click on settings, and this is how it will appear. On the left hand side panel, you would be able to see the option of see more in account center. Simply click on it, and here you would be able to see different profiles of yours either on Instagram or Facebook. Just simply select any of the profile for which you want to change the name. Suppose I want to change the name of my Facebook profile, so I will select the Facebook profile. After that, you would be able to see the option of name. Simply click on it, and here you would be able to see your name. If you want to make changes to it, simply remove the name and just change it according to your needs and requirements. And after that, select the option of review change, and this way you would be able to change the name. And this is how you do it. And in case if you change your name, then you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. And this is how the policies of Facebook work. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.